For the standard clean of your admin desk daily, we advise that you use the Universal Wipes by Clinell, which are in the green packet as seen here on the desk. On the rare occasion you are asked to use Clorox wipes, you will be given further advice about what special equipment you may need to wear while cleaning your desk. So remember the 5 steps. First of all, you've chosen your wipe. Next, you need to remove one wipe from the packet. With the wipe opened out at all times, do not scrunch it up into a little ball. Clean the entire surface of the telephone. Work in an organised manner, ensuring all parts of the telephone are cleaned. Remember, you need a new wipe per individual item and per surface. Open the wipe out and work in an S-shaped pattern across the surface. Work from cleanest to dirty, so if the back of the computer is particularly dusty, you may well need a new wipe, and you'll definitely need to do that last. Ensure every item on the desk is cleaned, one by one. Remember, you may need to lift up items to clean the underside. High-touch items on your desk may need to be cleaned more frequently than just once a day. Think about where you're going and what you're doing at your desk. And now to clean the whole desk itself. Work from one corner in an S-shaped motion. Bear in mind, depending on how big your desk is, you may need a second wipe to complete the task. The less cluttered your desk is, the easier this is to do on a regular basis.